So on my coordinate plane, my endpoints are -3, 4, and 3, 1. And to find the midpoint of this line segment, I use the midpoint equation. So you would add edge sub 2 and edge sub 1 and divide it by 2 or over 2, comma y sub 2 plus y sub 1 over 2. And after plugging in my endpoints, I got the answer 0 over 2 and 5 over 2, which is simplified as 0 and 2.5, which is my midpoint right here. And if I want to find the midpoint from -3, 4, and 0 and 2.5, I have the work right here. After plugging in my numbers and using the midpoint equation, my midpoint of that little line segment came out to be -1.5 and 3.25, which I have a typo here. It should be 3.25, not 3.75. So it should be right here. And to find the midpoint from 0 and 2.5 to 3 and 1, the work is right here. You use the midpoint equation, plug in your numbers, and you should get 1.5 and 1.75, which is right here. And that's how you can use the midpoint equation to divide a line segment into fourths.